Assalamualaikum students. I am going to teach you maths for class 2. But before starting lecture, I will give you some instructions. You must sit with your textbook, rough copy and stationery box. You will not leave between in lecture. You will listen full lecture carefully and you will not involve in any other activity between the lecture. Now I am going to start from chapter number 1, that is two-digit number. Today I am teaching from page number 1 to 4. Today you are going to learn about how to identify numbers in base 10 system and how to identify place value of two-digit number. In previous class you have learned about the numbers up to 100. So first we discuss what is number. We count things using number. For example, these are 2 stars and this is 1 star. So we use number for counting different objects. There are many digits like 1-digit number, 2-digit number. But today we are going to learn about only 1-digit number and 2-digit number. 1-digit number are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are digits. We use the digit 0 to 9 to form all other digits like 2-digit, 3-digit, etc. We use these 10 digits to make other digits like 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, etc. 2-digit numbers are from 10 to 99. So 0 to 9 digits are called 1-digit number and 10 to 99 digits are called 2-digit numbers. We can represent large number with the help of unit and tens. So we call it number based tens system. Here you can see there is a small block. This small block shows 1 unit and 1 unit means 1. Here you can also see there is one group of 10 block and this group of 10 block called 110 and this 110 means 10. We call it 10 because this group of 10 block made with 10. So small block shows unit and group of 10 block shows 10. Now you identify place value of two-digit number by using these blocks. Now count how many tens are there and how many units are there. You can see in first picture there are 2 rods. So these 2 rods shows 2 tens. So we write here 2 tens. And individual box, small blocks, how many? Counted. These are 3. So these small block shows 3 units. So we write here 3 units. 2 tens, 3 units make number 23. These blocks shows number 23. In second picture you can see there is one group of 10 block. So one group of 10 block means 110. And you can also see there are 5 individual small blocks. So what will we write here? These are 5, so we write 5 units because these small block shows 5 units. So 110 and 5 units make number 15. So these small block shows number 15. If you have any question, you can ask me at the end of the lecture. Now this is another example. Now you will count how many groups of blocks are there. These sort shows tens. So we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 group of 10 blocks. So we write here 5 tens. And these 5 tens shows number 50 because these 5 10 block made with 50 blocks. Next group of 10 block you can see here small blocks, and these small block shows ones. So now count how many small blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here there are 7 small blocks. These small blocks shows ones, so we write here 7 ones. 7 means 7 because here are 7 blocks. 5 tens, 7 ones makes number 57. And the place value of 5 tens is 50 and the place value of 7 1 is 7. So 50 plus 7 is 57. You can see here there is tens and ones column. So we write block of tens in tens column and we write tens and we write ones at ones column. So first you count how many number of group of 10 blocks. These rods group and group of 10 block shows tens place. So here there are 2 rods. So we write 2 at tens place. Now count how many individual blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 individual small blocks. Small block shows ones place, so we write 4 at ones place. 2 tens and 4 ones makes number 24. So we write 24 at number column. Now open page number 2 in your book. Number up to 99. Fill in the empty boxes. You will write tens and unit place in these column, and you will also write number name in number column. Here you can see kindly raise hand here at the end of the lecture. Now listen the lecture carefully. If you have any query or any question, you can ask me at the end of the lecture. You can see here there is one small block. So this small block shows 1 digit number and we write 1 digit number at the unit place. So how many small blocks are there? There is only one small block. So it shows number 1. We write 1 at the unit place. We also write the number at the number column ONE1. In second box, how many small blocks are there? There are 3 small blocks. 1, 2, 3. So we write 3 at unit place because 3 shows 1 digit number and we write 1 digit number at unit place. You will write like this: 3 at unit place and THREE at number column. Have you written? In third box, how many small units or blocks are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where you write 6, you will write 6 at unit place. You will write like this: 6 at unit place. Here T means tens and U means unit. So you will write 6 at unit place because we write one digit number at unit place. You will also write 6 and number column SIX 6. In fourth box, see in fourth box, here is already written. We count small blocks. Small blocks shows unit place. So how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we write 8 at unit place. We write 8 in number column EIGHT 8. Now see in fifth box. Here is group of 10 block and 10 block made with 10 small blocks. So group of 10 block shows 110. So where we write 110? We write 1 at tens column. You can see here is no number of unit. So we write 0 at unit place and 10 makes number 10. So we write 10 at number column. We also write the number name TE and 10. In sixth box, there is one small block. There is one group of 10 blocks. So we write 1 at tenth column. And now we count how many units are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 units. So we write 5 at units column. 1, 5 makes number 15. So we write 15 in words FIFTEEN 15. In next box, there is one group of blocks and there is also number of small blocks. So first you count how many number of tens are there. There is one small block, one group of small block and one group of small block shows ones 10. So you will write ones at tens place. Then you count how many number of units. How many number of units are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 small blocks. So you will write 6 at unit place because small block shows unit place. 1 tenth and 6 unit makes number 16. So you will write 16 in number column SIXTEEN 16. Now see in second last box. You can see here there is one group of block. One group of block shows ones. So we write ones at 10 column. Then you will count how many number of small blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 small blocks. Small blocks shows unit place. So you will write 9 at unit place. 1 and 9 makes number 19. You will also write the spelling of 19. What is the spelling of 19? N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. In last picture, there are two group of 10 blocks. So count how many 10s are here. There are two groups of small block and these two group of small block shows 2 10s. So you write 2 at 10s column. There are no number of units, so you will write 0 at unit column. You will also write the spelling of 20 at number column. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Now open page number 3 in your books. Have you opened page number 3 in your books? Question is fill in the empty boxes. Here you can see T. T means stands, and in second column you see U, and U means unit. So you will write number of block of tens in tens column, and you will write block of units in unit column. So group of 10 blocks shows tens. So how many tens are here? There are two group of small blocks, and these two group of small blocks shows number 2. So you will write 2 at tens column. Then you will count how many number of small blocks are here. So you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will write 8 at unit column. So 2 tens and 8 units makes number 28. Here you can see 28 is written. You will also write number in words in spelling TWENTY 20 EIGST 8 28. Now see in second box. How many group of blocks are there? Counted. One group of blocks shows one stand. So there are three group of blocks. 1, 2, 3. There are three block of tens. So you will write 3 at tens column like this. In second box, three boxes, three group of blocks. So you will write 3 at tens column and then count how many small blocks in second box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 small blocks. So you will write 7 at unit place because These individual blocks shows unit place. So 3 tens and 7 unit makes number 37. You will write these words in words like this: THIRTY 30, SEVEN 7, 37. Now see in third box. First you count group of 10 blocks. So how many blocks of 10 are there? See in third box. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 tens. Because these dots shows tens place, so you will write 4 at tens place. Like this. In third box, you will write 4 at tens place. Then count how many small blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write 4 at unit place because these small block shows unit place. So you will write 4 at unit place. 4 tens and 4 units makes number 44. You will also write 44 in spelling. What is the spelling of 44? FORTY 40 dash FOUR 4. 44. 5. See in 5 box. First you count group of stand blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 10 blocks. There are 7 10 blocks. So you will write 7 at tens place because T means tens, but there is no small blocks. So what will you write here? You will write here 0 at unit place because there is no small blocks. So 7 tens and 0 unit makes number 70. You will also write the spelling of 70, SEVENTY 70. Now see in next box 6. See in 6 box. See in 6 box. See in 6 box. Count how many number of blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 10. You will write 8 in at tens column because number tens blocks 8. So you will write 8 at tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Individual blocks are 5. So you will write 5 at units column. 8 tens and 5 units makes number 85. EIGSTY 80, FIVE 5. You will also write the spelling of 85 here. In second last box, count block of tens. How many block of tens in second last column? This stack of 10 blocks shows tens place. So first we count the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9. So these rod blocks shows tens place. So you will write 9 at tens column. Then you will count how many small blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write 5 at unit place because small block shows unit place. So these block shows number 95. Here 9 is at the tens place and 5 is at the unit place. So 9 tens and 5 units makes number 95. You will also write the spelling of 95. Nine, 9, Tyt, 90, Five, 5, 95. See at the last box. Count how many rods are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these rods shows tens place. So you will write 9 at tens place. Count how many units are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will write 9 at units place. 9 tens and 9 unit makes number 99. So you will write 99 at number column. You will also write the spelling of 99. Ninety, Ninety, Nine. 61. 61. This is your home assignment. You will solve page number 4 in your book.